Welcome back to my channel. So why am I whispering? Because it's so late right now. It is 12 and my parents are sleeping, and we are getting ready to go to the races. Why am I so close? Anyway, we are waiting because they are coming. Well, they should be coming, or they're here or something like that. But we are going to the races, and I will take you guys with me today. So don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you like my content. If not, see ya. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. Do you want to say something? Where'd you go?
Where the fuck are my streakers at? We about to go out riding tonight.
What the fuck? Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video today. Cause I'm freaking tired, but I'm still going because I want to give you guys a video. Okay? So yeah. So I will take you guys with me today. So I'll stop blabbering now. So I'll see you guys in a little.
Shut up, man.
So we're here and there's nobody here. Only like a few cars. Where the hell are everybody else? It's so cold, guys. So I'll let you guys see when everybody gets here. Oh, black ass nigga. Ew. Taylor.
Look at that fat ass butterball.
Check this out, check this out. Ready, set, go.
I was recording.
Oh, grind. Hey, how do I look?
Hey, it looks like yourself. You be wearing them tight ass shits
I
anyway.
look like a Mississippi pimp. Come on, nigga. Grind.
Let me see if I
Hey,
can find
that's
that picture.
grimy, my nigga.
It's like this Kevin.
Can you start recording me for like a fucking pimp ass nigga right now?
You a broke ass.
Why is Noni hiding though? Move,
Hey,
Russell.
Patis, my sister wants you in the video.
Hey, I don't want my
Pokemon.
eye. You better not
She
record it
holding
on
on to
camera.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god. At least not there.
Quit tickling my butthole, Nani.
You didn't shower cheat and you're touching him like that?
Watch out.
Disgusting.
Smell your fingers, smell
I
your fingers.
did.
Hey, you're gonna see
shower.
you seen a paper bounty.
Dude, that should have fucking burned your eye.
We're here. Yay. Oh. So many lights. You can't really see anything.
Oh, it's a CRA.
Jesus. He's trying to be like,
Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out.
but if the cops come, you better not drop that shit, bitch.
Never.
I should have hired you for my wedding, bro.
Never.
What is it, Shrimp Dick 213?
Shrimp, get at me. Shrimp Dick 1-800.
Ah!
Hello, dude.
You think you're a fucking photographer?
Fuck yeah.
Hey, can you make my next porn video?
Yes.
Starring me and my hand and her 5 sisters.
If you need some photography, 1-800 Shrimp Dicks, 1-800 Symmetry, get at me. Hello, dude. Oh my god.
It's on the stomach like this.
Cops are coming. Let's get it.
Hey, where's your bag?
It's right there on the floor.
Who just threw that shit outside?
In the video?
Whee! Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. So this is the end of that video. As you guys saw, the cops came, so I had to turn off the camera, and then we just went home. So I hope you guys saw my last video. If you haven't, this is a picture of it, and it's just about my tattoos. If you want to check that out, I will have a link down below if you guys do want to watch it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.